Hello guys, I'm back and right now we are here at San Diego Seaport and parang dito yung famous na yung may nag-kiss na monument. Yun daw yung parang after ng World War II, nung meron ng peace or something like that, yun, na-kiss daw yung parang yun daw yung sign na meron ng peace. Right on my back is a super huge parang military base. Nandun yung mga airplanes. Nandun sa taas ng ship. Anong tawag dito, Hags? Hindi ko alam kung anong sinasabi ko sa vlog ko.
Seaport Village.
Itong ano na to? Anong tawag dyan sa kanila? Kasi yung parang mga ginagamit sa mga war or it's a Navy, it's in a US Navy.
USS Midway Museum.
Ah, that's a museum.
Yeah.
Ah, yung mga ginamit ng mga planes before.
Exactly.
Nung time ng war.
Sa war. Yeah, yung mga aircraft nila.
Yung mga aircraft nung time ng war. Ayun. So, ano ko lang kayo guys, I'm gonna walk closer to the ship para mas makita nyo, mas ma-appreciate nyo kung how amazing it is na na-preserve nila yung mga aircraft, you know, na ginamit nila before. So, look at that. There. Super duper cool. Alright. Let me just change my view so you can see. So right now, kung naririnig nyo, meron pang, it's still a work in progress. So talaga nandyan siya sa gitna. I mean, nasa port talaga siya for the people to come inside, to check it out. It's a museum. So makikita nila doon sa taas yung different kinds of plane. So if you're here, you're gonna love this one. It's so cool. It is really cool. Alright, so ayun! Oh my God! I saw it, guys. Ayun na yung sinasabi ko kanina na famous na monument dito sa San Diego, California. So we're gonna check it out and get some photos. And I'll get back to you later. Bye!
Oh, diba?
Yay, I can see it. Wow, it's so cool.
Ay, grabe talaga si Kuya.
Grabe. Anong kuya? It's so fun here. Daming tao. Puntahan talaga ng mga turista. Mr. Molotov Pizza.
Anong gusto nyo? Ako kahit ano lang ha. Ako pwede na lang din.
Ako gusto ko mura.
Decisive person.
This way to Seaport Village. Eateries! Doon kaya tayo guys, sa eateries.
Kaya ito, hanapin natin.
Let's go.
Mario. San Diego Burgers.
Come on, let's go. Ayun, ang daming options, oh. Ito. So, let's see here. Come on, guys. Let's go eat. Guys, I love the vibe here. Sobrang cool dito sa village. Ang daming food choices. Super duper nice. I love it here. May mga, may mga stores. Mexican na ako. I'll go with Mexican. Tapos lang namin mang lunch. Oh my God, ang sarap ng dessert namin. Ben and Jerry's ice cream. It's so good. Paubos ko na siya. Super yummy. So right now, ang gagawin namin is to walk a bit And then we're gonna head on to our next destination. Sila yung gumawa ng itinerary namin for today. So I'm just gonna follow wherever is the next one. It's so cool here. Super California vibe. I love it. We're just gonna enjoy our dessert and we'll head out in a bit. Bala ko din na mag-bra lang mamaya.
Sige, go kasi magkano kami choke.
Okay.
Okay?
Alright, deal.
Ate, gusto mo pa ice cream? Wow.
No, okay.
Ate, dagdagan mo.
No, kaya talaga nag... Hi guys! Welcome back! So, right now, it's a sunny afternoon in San Diego, California. And we are currently at La Jolla Beach. It is so beautiful. So, this is my background. It's super nice. If you can hear the waves, no, it's so relaxing. Ang sarap talaga pakinggan ng waves. It's so nice. And dun sa baba, makikita nyo, ang daming mga nagsuswimming. I don't know how cold the water is, pero kaya nilang mag-swim. And because, you know, they're very American. So, maraming din nagsusurf, ang daming nagsuswim. And I think low tide ngayon. So, maraming parang space pa dito sa baba before the water. Ang ganda ng vibe here. And dito naman sa likod ko is of course the beach houses. It's super nice. It's very expensive daw to own a house parang syempre sa front beach. And in this area, ang cute lang nitong area na kung saan ako nandito ngayon. It's like ano lang siya, super green lang. And marami lang parang nagpipiknik na family and nag-chill. And right now kasi it's like it's Wednesday afternoon, so ano lang ngayon, parang sarap lang mag-chill, tumambay. So yung iba nagdala lang ng chairs, pero ang daming mga naka-park actually ng mga cars. Like everywhere you go around here, ang daming mga naka-park na car kasi nga ang daming mga hotels, restaurants, water activities na pwedeng gawin. So it's really nice here. It's like for for vacation. So what am I gonna do? Umihi lang kasi sila Kat, so I'm just waiting for them to come back. And then I don't know if we're gonna go down to explore kung anong meron dun sa baba or take some photos sa baba, but I'm excited. It's fun. So I'll see you guys in a bit. So, lalapit tayo guys sa mga seagulls. Tingnan natin yung ano yan. Baka yung pinsan ng dugong. Na hinahanap nila. So, tingnan natin ngayon. Lapitan natin sila. Ayan, ang dami din namin mga kasabayang mga tourists na tumitingin din, nag-observe din, at nag-appreciate ng nature and yung life nila. So, ayan na, nalapit na natin. Oh my gosh, may tumaan na ibon. There you go. Yan na sila sa likod ka. Hello there. Yan ang way of communication nila. I don't know. Ano kaya sinasabi niya?
Siya yung pinakamalaki.
Yeah, oo. Parang siya yung leader of the pack. The leader of the pack. So, bawal yata pumasok doon, no? Bawal pumunta yung mga tao doon just to, you know, protect them. Kasi yan ang kanilang bahay, ang kanilang habitat. So, meron ditong sa part na yun, guys. Doon yung ibang mga seagulls na naliligo. And meron dun talaga na malaki. Yun yata yung mommy nila. So, other than that, punta tayo dito sa other side. Kasi meron pa ditong other seagulls pa. So, let's see. Medyo, ano lang, ang seagulls, sea lions. Nasaan ba yung seagulls? Seals or sea lions? San Diego. Guys, di ba seagulls? Seagulls ako ng seagulls. Sea lions kasi. Wow. Seals kasi. And sea lions. Pagkahalataan tuloy na walang alam sa animals. Yon, seals and sea lions. So, ayan sila sa likod ko. Ang dami-dami nila. Oh my God. So, most of them are like color brown and black. And may mga babies, may mga maliliit, pero meron ding mga malalaki. Yeah. Oh. So, ayan sila. So, as you can see, dito tayo lumipat sa kabilang area. Naka-close lang kasi siya ngayon. So, hindi tayo pwede pumasok. No selfies with the lions. But, if you can see them, meron kang
Chris and Johnny.
Tingnan tayo dun sa kabila, sa other side.
Johnny, you too. Smile. Put that down and smile.
So, dito naman sa kabila is, see, they are conserving California's coastal treasures. So, we'll see. Dito sa kabila, ayun, ang dami namang mga ibon naman dito. So, what are this? San Diego La Jolla Underwater Park. Ayun, ang daming ibon naman. For the birds, that's how they look like. Para silang bibe na ibon. Doon, ang dami nag-swimming doon sa mga ibon.
Minsan, pagka threaten sila sa
Okay, let's go. Guys, may nakita kanilang itlog. Oh my gosh, teka lang. I want to capture it sa video, guys. Ipapalaki ko lang, ha. Yan, oh my God, may itlog. May itlog. Nangitlog siya. Oh my. That is so cool.
Sige, pakita ko kuya.
Yan na yung ano nyo. Ayun o, tingnan nyo guys, may nag-swimming doon na sila. Ano na lang, okay lang daw magkaklangan sa mama. Ay, pinifeed niya ba? Parang may binibigay siyang something. Ano maligo? Nakasama nila. So dark time. Doon lang siya. Doon lang siya. Nagpo-camouflage yung sila yun. Ayan o. Tadan! Ayan, dito pa yung isa. Ayan yung isa. Kasama. Ay, nagpo-camouflage. nagpa-vlog, nawawala sila. Ayan yung isa. Ayun yung isa. Okay, so we are here naman sa Coast Walk Trail for more walking and hunting for sea lions. Let's go. Check it out. Ayun na yung mga nag-road na nagkakayak.
Hindi? Ewan ko, nag-ikot lang talaga.
Oops. Lalakad kasi ako. So, doon din yung mga birds na nakita natin kanina. Ito na yung other side. And dito tayo sa view deck. Flower na to. It's so pretty. Ay, that's my bee. See that? That means it's healthy. Wow. They're everywhere. Super. Okay, let's go. Ay, wala na namang respeto sa single itong mga naglalampungan na to. Naglag ko kayo dyan sa bahay.
Tapos ako na.
I'm just kidding. Bilis ng karma. Alright. Ayun sila. Ang saya. Mga nagkakayak. Okay. Just be careful. Wow. Let's see the look. Nice. Sa harap natin. Pansin na natin yan. Walang respeto sa naka-LDR ah. Loko ah. It's so nice. It's so weather. Oh my gosh. Ayan ang business. So this is our view on the other side. Nandito yung mga...
Ay, doon.
Saan tayo? Tara, let's go there. So, punta tayo doon. Hanap tayo ng magandang pwesto para sa pictures. Come on, let's go. Mamma mia.
Ayang.
Here we go again, mama.
Hindi, mabilis lang sila.
Sige. So, we're gonna take some photos first. Tignan natin kung mas magandang angle dito. Alright. Hi guys, so we are now here at Torrey Pines. This is our last activity for today here in San Diego. We are watching people who will paraglide. Yay! It looks cool. Oh my gosh. Yeah. We're going guys. Dito kami eh. Uy, meron dito someone. Hi! Ay, ano siya? Pababa na ba siya?
Ay, ganun na.
Ayun na! Bumaba na. Cool. So we're just gonna wait here for the sunset before we go home and go eat dinner. Cool. Ayun! Bye! Wow! Ang layo na nung isa. Andun na. Somewhere over there.
Can you drop me off home? Siguro.
Ibon na yan. Ayan na. Ito kasi tapos na. Yeah. Yeah. Super nice. I love it here. It's so cold now. Guys, I wanna show you. This is the winner for today's video. She's from the Midwest. Yeah. She can take the cold. Yeah. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed San Diego. I'll see you guys soon.